السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الآن أقف على مسافة مرتفعة مباشرة. هذا هو دوار الخابورة، وهذه المنطقة اللي كانت عند النادي القديم. فقط أنا أنقل هذه الصورة لنداءات الاستغاثة التي وصلت طوال فترة الليل. يعني شايفين هذا هو الشارع العام، هذا هو الشارع العام في الخابورة، الطريق المؤدي إلى صحاب، هذا الطريق المؤدي إلى مسقط. الجهود مبذولة من كافة القطاعات، خاصة من يعني دوريات شرطة عمان السلطانية، لكن ما نود أن نؤكد عليه أن ليس من السهولة الآن وصول أي جهة أو أي قطاع للمساندة، وخاصة في النداءات وبلاغات الكهرباء. لذلك نؤكد عليكم يا جماعة التحلي بالصبر، وأعطوا فرصة شوية للفرق سواء التطوعية أو القطاعات المختلفة عشان تقوم بدورها. هذه رسالة للجميع، وسلم الله الجميع.
Morning after the typhoon. You see, it is sunny. There are clouds hovering atop the mountains. So sunny, like a regular day. The temperature is perfect and feels not so cool, not so hot. It's just like winter also, but beginning winter like that. Perfect, yeah. You see there are clouds hovering the mountains. But you see, there are places in Oman where still I believe they are submerged in water, flood waters, due to the rain and brought about by the Cyclone Shaheen, which landed on Sunday, 3rd of October or 4th of October. I can't remember the exact day. In this place where everything looks the same and the procedures and processes are the same all throughout the day and all throughout days. I don't have the account of the exact date of the week or of the whole month at times. Anyway, but truly I really live a laid-back life here, and this is how it really looks like, with less noise, right? Of course. Anyways, okay, so those people are really in a bad situation now. They are distressed because some of them lost their houses. It was destroyed by the flood waters and the voluminous rain pour out. Okay. I have no words to describe how unfortunate they are. And of course, some of them lost their lives because some of them refused to leave those places deemed to be dangerous and catastrophic. And still, some of them did not expect that those places would be hardly devastated. Okay, so we just hope the best for all of them. We just hope they would recover and they could live another new chapter of their lives in the most practical way. Yeah, because it's really difficult to move on after a big havoc in one's life, especially involving the loss of material possessions, which are basically needed in our daily lives, like the houses, the vehicles, and of course, not to mention families' lives. Okay, so this is a morning treat for you, a calm one. I hope this site gives you a calm feeling today. God bless.